Hi, it's Nick from 2 Cents Pizza, and today we're going to be looking at the pizza press. So why might you use this? I know it's not for everyone, so please, in the comments, don't be telling me why you don't want to use it, or do, fine. So you might use this if you have to make a lot of pizzas in a short amount of time, so they'd be good for football stadiums or concert venues, especially where you've not got a lot of room. This can press 400 pizzas in an hour. And the fastest of us can't do that. It doesn't get tired, it doesn't go for a break. So if you need to really concentrate on volume, it's fantastic for this. And it also gives you a really consistent product as well. Once you've dialed in your dough, and there's always a little period of adjustment to that, so you need to maybe tweak your dough, tweak your process to fit the press, then you get super consistent pizzas every time. And another reason you get pizza press is that it's difficult to recruit, especially skilled pizza makers at the minute. So this just takes a body out of the equation. So if you've got lower skilled workforce, you need to make a lot of pizza, then this is perfect.